Ethereum cost truly equivalent to $1,859.84 a coin, or so they especially thought. The present exchanged cost range, $1,852.67–$1,878.71, or so they sort of thought. The earlier day close, $1,872.94. The change really was 13.10. 0.70% in an unobtrusive way. Reverse rate, United States dollars to ETH, which in a real sense is very critical. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $1,890, sort of greatest 2022, fundamentally least 1758 in a kind of large manner. Ethereum estimate on Friday, August 4, cost $1,884, in every practical sense. Most extreme 2016. Lovely least 1752 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $1,865. Lovely most extreme 1996, in every way that really matters, least 1734. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $1,872. Genuinely greatest 2003. By and large least 1741 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, or so they explicitly thought. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $1,885, for the most part greatest 2017, least 1753, which really is very huge. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, August 10, cost $1,874. Certainly greatest 2005, essentially least 1743. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $1,889, for the most part greatest 2021, kind of least 1757, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $1,897, genuinely greatest 2030, genuinely least 1764 in a quite huge way. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $1,858, beautiful most extreme 1988, exceptionally least 1728, or so they explicitly thought. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, August 16, cost $1,880, by and large most extreme 2012, truly least 1748 in a for the most part significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $1,855, kind of most extreme 1985, especially least 1725, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Friday, August 18, cost $1,855, by and large greatest 1985, especially least 1725, which really is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 21, cost $1,858, exceptionally greatest 1988. Certainly least 1728, which is genuinely huge. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, August 22, cost $1,849, most certainly greatest 1978, least 1720. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $1,836, essentially greatest 1965, all things considered, least 1707 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, August 24, cost $1,825, greatest 1953, truly least 1697 amazingly. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $1,817, most certainly greatest 1944, most certainly least 1690, exhibiting that in multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9, cost $1,885, sort of most extreme 2017, genuinely least 1753 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum estimate on Monday, August 28, cost $1,810, especially greatest 1937, most certainly least 1683, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29, cost $1,750, kind of greatest 1873, beautiful least 1628, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 30, cost $1,875, certainly greatest 2006, especially least 1744, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $1,868, for the most part greatest 1999, exceptionally least 1737, so Ethereum figure on Friday, August 18, cost $1,855, Genuinely greatest 1985, fundamentally least 1725, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Friday, September 1, cost $1866, fundamentally greatest 1997, most certainly least 1735, which truly is genuinely critical. United States dollars to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH swapping scale really equivalent to 0.5377 coins per $1,000, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today's reach, 0.5323, 0.5398. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The past day's nearby, 0.5339, or so they especially thought. Change for now plus 0.0038, plus 0.71%, kind of additional appearance. How Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $1889, really greatest 2021, by and large least 1757, which generally is very critical. United States dollars to ETH cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Thursday, August 3, cost 0.529 coins, sort of most extreme 0.569, beautiful least 0.495, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ETH forecast on Friday, August 4, cost 0.531 coins, especially greatest 0.571, most certainly least 0.496, which really is genuinely critical. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, August 7, cost 0.536 coins, especially most extreme 0.577, sort of least 0.501 in an essentially significant manner. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.534 coins, especially greatest 0.574. Beautiful least 0.499, fundamentally further appearance. How in about a month. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 30, cost $1875, sort of most extreme 2006, genuinely least 1744, which by and large is very critical. In multi-week. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 9, cost 0.531 coins, most extreme 0.570, all things considered, least 0.496 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ETH expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 0.534 coins in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.574, truly least 0.499, exceptionally further appearance. How US to ETH today. United States dollars to ETH conversion scale, especially equivalent to 0.5377 coins per $1,000, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, August 11, cost 0.529 coins, really most extreme 0.569, truly least 0.495, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. United